Okay, so in this video, we are going to put an input field where the user can enter his or her name before connecting to the server. So, as you have seen, it is very difficult to test a different user with the same name. For example, whenever I'm testing, there is test user, test user, test user. So we need to have different names for different users. So we can basically find out like this is the one that left and this is the one that's joining. So what I did, I just copied the connect screen and then I put an input field inside this, and I'm gonna just display a text on the top of the input field that enter your name or enter name. I just setting up of basic if UI. You can set as you want. It's totally up to you. The all the things that we need is just the input field and a button through which we can proceed further. So inside our connect screen, we need to have a reference for the input field where the player can enter the name. So inside the function set name, we are checking whether the text in which the player is supposed to enter the name is not, it must not be null or empty. We want a name for the user. So if it's not null or empty, then we can proceed further. So we are setting the nickname of the user, right? So, and what we did instead of start function, we just rename it to start connecting. So once the user just set the name, then we can connect to the server. Otherwise, we're not allowed to connect to server and then go further. And then also we need to just hide the screen, and that is responsible for taking input from the user. And then we can show to the user that we are connecting to the server and you're just a few seconds away from your chess system. That is our OK button where we're going to set the setName function. So whenever we're gonna press on this function, we should, what you can do, you can also create a pop-up for this. For example, if user enters some nothing and he is pressing on the OK button, so you can display please enter your name or this kind of pop-up. I pressed and I clicked on enter name, but it's not working. So after hours of working, I found out that I haven't entered not before string is not or empathy. I was just making it if string is not, then we can proceed further. Okay, the lobby join test user is here. Okay, but why is test user is here? Because we haven't removed the line test user. We need to remove that line from the start connecting function where it's setting the test user. So here we are going to test with different usernames and let's see how it works. Currently we have three bills open. Okay, so we have Aksa, Amna, and Marjim. So look, whatever instance we are just clicking on, it's opening the relevant private child. So that's basically what's the intended function, and we can also see that on clear left room is working. So that's what we want.